Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a microSD card at the Redmi Note 13. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool. If you have put it back into the box after inserting the SIM card, you should find it here at this little white box. Okay, and if you open the white box like this, then you will find here, or you should find here, the SIM ejection tool. In case if you don't have it anymore, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone this SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, and that SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card also a second SIM card on the other side, or a microSD card. So it's the same position here for them now. So that means you have to decide between a second SIM or a microSD card. So if you're having a second SIM card, you need to remove it and just place your SD card here on the full place. Press on both sides and you will hear a click noise. And if you finish with it, just insert the SIM tray again back into the SIM slot. The first SIM card, so the main SIM card, is showing to the display side on top. And just close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in it. Some more tips and tricks and so on, like to transfer data now from the internal storage to the microSD card and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.